Hola, soy yo, Catherine Rump, and today I'm talking with you about the learning-based game called Blooket. I have frequently used games such as Kahoot, Quizlet Live, Quizzes, Gimkit, and Quizalize in class, so I was looking for something new to use with the students, and I reached out to our instructional coach, and she suggested Blooket for me. I easily made a free account and set up these 3 sets. And the one that I'll be showing you here is El Pretérito en Español. Once you have a set created, you go ahead and host, and you'll be set up with 3 different versions of the game: Racing, Factory, and Battle Royale. In Racing, after a set amount of questions that the teacher selects, the students' avatars will race across the screen and they'll get to see who's currently in first place. Factory, they are working to earn money by answering the questions correctly. And then with their money, they can buy power-ups, such as multipliers and amount of money per question. And the third version, Battle Royale, they're facing off head-to-head, trying to knock the other player out by eliminating their energy. And you eliminate their energy by answering quickly or more quickly than your opponent. I have a game ready to go. This is going to demonstrate the racing. You can see I have picked my little avatars here for K1 and K2. I'll go ahead and make one more here. So students will go to blooket.com/play and they'll select join a game, entering the code given. They do not need to create an account to join, so it's free for them to play, nice and easy. They can select from a variety of adorable little avatars while they're waiting. And then the teacher's ready to start. You can watch the instructions or you can go ahead and skip them. And their screen looks just like this. They have to select the correct answer. It shows us a breakdown of how they responded, and you could pause here to go over why a question response was correct or incorrect. Then they continue their play here. And I selected for us to race after 3 questions. So after this next question, we'll see our little avatars race across the screen and we'll find out who's in first place. So during this portion, the students were so engaged, they wanted to see who was going to win, who was in first place at the time, and they were yelling, "Oh, look at mine go." They really enjoyed this part, so it's just a fun way for us to engage and also be practicing and learning our content. So we can see K3 is in the lead. And I actually chose for this game to end after 3 rounds. So now we'll come to the final standings and the podium. K2, K1, and K3 here as our winner. Now I could choose to play again and pick one of the other versions of the game. Or now I can view this very basic report. I can see what percentage of questions were answered correctly or incorrectly and see who all of the winners were. If I wanted an individual breakdown of students, I could upgrade rather than having the free account. So if you're looking for another way to engage with the students with an online learning-based game, and you're tired of Quizlet Live, Kahoot, or any of the other games you've used before, I definitely do recommend Blooket. The students were engaged. It was fun. They were very impressed that there was an online game that they hadn't heard of. So go ahead and give Blooket a try, and I hope you really enjoy it as my students did and myself. Thanks for listening. Adios.